Let's learn to identify the best and the poor performing ASINs in your ads. If you've launched multiple products on Amazon and been running ad campaigns for a few months, you are wondering what's working and where should I invest next? Guys, you are not alone. This is where most new sellers get stuck. Hi, I am Siddharth Rao, founder of DigiBegin Consulting. In this video, I'll show you how to identify your best and worst performing ASINs in your ad campaigns. Let's take an example to understand this better. Say you have launched 4 products: copper bottles, copper glasses, stainless steel bottles and steel glasses, each with 10 designs. That's 40 SKUs. You have been running ads on maybe 20 of them for about 2 months. Some are performing well, some are burning money, and some are unclear. So how do you figure out which ones deserve more attention and budget? The answer lies in your advertising funnel. For every ASIN and variant, look at 3 things: impressions, clicks, and orders. These give you 2 key metrics. First, your click-through rate, that is CTR. Clicks divided by impressions times 100. It shows you how many people who saw your ad clicked on it. Second, and more important, is your conversion rate. That's CVR. Orders divided by clicks times 100. This tells you how many clicks turned into purchases. CTR matters because it shows whether your product's main image and pricing are attracting clicks or not. But CVR is where the real magic happens. A high CVR means your listing is doing its job. People land on your page and buy. That's the number to chase. So where do you find this data? 2 places. First, go to your sponsored ads dashboard. Click on the product tabs on the left. You will see impressions, clicks, and orders broken down by variant. The dashboard shows CTR and CVR percentages directly. No manual calculation needed. Second, you go to your business reports and find the ASIN-wise report, also called as the detail page sales and traffic report. Here, you will see sessions, that is users who click through to your product page, and the orders generated. The key metric here is the unit session percentage. That's your conversion rate. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Your ads dashboard only shows data for ASINs you have advertised. But business reports show all 40 ASINs, including ones you haven't run ads on yet. You might discover an ASIN you never advertised is actually converting well organically. That's a hidden winner worth investing in. So how do you make decisions from all this? First, check your ads dashboard. Look at the CVR for every variant you have been advertising. Pick the ones with the highest conversion rates. These are your performers. Shift more ad spend towards them. Then check the business reports. Review the ASIN-wise data for all 40 variants over the last 2 months. Check the unit session percentage. You might find that of the 10 copper bottle designs, and you have advertised 5, but one of the other 5 is quietly converting better than anything else. That's your cue. Invest in it. But what about the underperforming ASINs? If you're getting impressions but low clicks, work on these. You will typically find 2 types. The first type gets impressions and clicks but doesn't convert. People see your ad, click, but leave without buying. This is a listing problem. Your main image got the click, but the product detail page didn't help in getting the conversion. Maybe your images aren't convincing. The price seems too high versus your competitors. Or your bullet points don't answer their questions. I recommend you fix the listing to improve your conversions. The second type is when you barely get any impressions. This usually means your bids are too low or your targeting is too narrow. For these, I suggest you set up separate ad campaigns with higher visibility goals, broader keywords, higher bids, maybe auto campaigns to let Amazon figure out where the product fits. Once you have done this analysis, I recommend you pick top 2 or 3 converting variants for each product. I suggest these are the ones to invest in. And when I say invest, I don't just mean ad spend. I mean ordering more inventory of those specific variants and sending stock to more fulfillment centers to improve delivery speeds and availability. Now the final question. Out of your 4 products in the example we took of bottles and glasses, which one do you go all in on? Zoom out a little. Look at overall performance across all variants of each product. Now answer these 3 questions. Which product category has the most high converting variants? 2. Which gives you the best return on ad spend? And 3. Which has the most headroom to grow? And I suggest you focus on that product.